Hi, today I will discuss algebraic property of regular expression. First property is closure. If R1 and R2 are regular expression, then R1 clean closure, R1 concat R2, R1 plus R2 is also regular. Means all are closure with respect to concat, then clean closure and union. Plus means it is union or you can say or. Closure means if two languages are regular, then they are union or they are concatenation. If one language is regular, their clean closure will be regular. Next, associative. Associative, that is applicable on binary operator, not on unary. Clean closure is a unary operator. So associative only applicable for OR and concatenation. R1 plus R2 plus R3, that you can write as R1 plus R2 plus R3, or R1 concat with R2 concat with R3, that you can write as R1 concat with R2 concat with R3. You can consider this as a plus and this as a multiplication. In addition and multiplication, associative satisfy. Here also in case of OR and in case of concat, associative satisfy. Next property, identity. Let x is the identity element and r plus x equal to r and r concat x equal to r. Then we will say x is identity. Phi is identity with respect to plus and epsilon is identity with respect to concat. Suppose AB plus phi, that will be AB. In case of addition, it's like 0. Anything we add with 0, we'll get the same thing. Anything plus phi, that is our empty language, you will get the same. Then suppose AB concat with epsilon, that will be AB. It's like 1. Anything multiplied with 1 will get the same. Here also anything concat with epsilon, you'll get the same. Next is annihilator. R concat with x equal to x, then we will say annihilator. Like suppose anything multiplied with 0. Suppose you want to multiply 2 with 0, you will get 0. Here also anything concat with 5. Like suppose AB concat with 5, you will get 5. No annihilator present for plus or union. Only for concatenation annihilator is present, that is 5. Next is idempotent. R plus R equal to R. So it satisfies the property with respect to plus but not with respect to concat. Like suppose A plus A, that you can write as A. But A concat A, that is equal to A square. That is not equal to A. So concat doesn't satisfy this property, only union satisfy this property. Idempotent. Next is commutative. R1 plus R2 equal to R2 plus R1. So commutative satisfy with respect to plus. Then R1 concat R2 is not equal to R2 concat R1. So plus satisfy but not concat. Suppose A plus B, that you can write as a B plus A. But A concat with B, that is not equal to B concat with A. So AB is not equal to BA, but A plus B, that is equal to B plus A. So only union satisfy commutative, but concat operator doesn't satisfy commutative. Next is distributive. R1 concat R2 plus R3, that is equal to R1 concat with R2 plus R1 concat with R3. Even you can write as R1 plus R2 concat R3 equal to R1 concat with R3 plus R2 concat with R3. So concat operator is distributive over plus, but plus is not distributive over concat. R1 plus R2 concat R3 is not equal to R1 plus R2 concat R1 plus R3. Concat operator is distributive over union, but union is not distributive over concat. These are the algebraic property of regular expression. Let's solve some question on regular expression. First question, let A equal to 1 clean closure 0 plus 0 whole clean closure, B equal to 1 clean closure 0 whole clean closure, which is true. 3 option is given, A is subset of B is subset of A, and A equal to B. Let's simplify A. that is 1 star 0 plus 0 whole clean closure. You can take 0 common from both. After taking 0 common from this you will get 1 star, from this you will get epsilon. Then 1 clean closure plus epsilon, that is nothing our 1 clean closure. So you can get 1 clean closure 0 whole clean closure. That is nothing, it is our B. So answer will be A equal to B. Next question. Let A equal to 1 clean closure, 0 clean closure plus 0 clean closure, 1 clean closure, whole clean closure. B equal to 1 clean closure plus 0 whole clean closure, which is true. 3 option is given. Let's simplify A. R1 plus R2 whole clean closure, that you can write as R1 clean closure plus R2 clean closure whole clean closure. Here we just apply that. Here it is 1 star 0 star. Here we'll write 1 star 0 star whole clean closure, and here also you can write whole clean closure. Suppose this is R1, this is R2. You can write this as a R1 clean closure plus R2 clean closure, and here whole clean closure, here whole clean closure. And we also know that suppose R1 clean closure plus R2 clean closure whole clean closure, that you can write as R1 clean closure concat with R2 clean closure whole clean closure. So just apply here. Here it is in this format, like this is R1, this is R2. Then you can write as a plus or union. So you can write 1 clean closure plus 0 clean closure whole clean closure. Then in place of this you can write 0 clean closure plus 1 clean closure whole clean closure. And this clean closure is present, so you can write whole clean closure. Both are same according to commutative. Here like R1 plus R2, then R2 plus R1, so both are same. And R plus R equal to R, 1 clean closure plus 0 clean closure, that is equal to 0 clean closure plus 1 clean closure, both are same. So rather than writing 2 times, you can write just 1 time. R1 clean closure plus R2 clean closure whole clean closure, that is equal to R1 closure plus R2 whole clean closure. So simply in place of this you can write this, and this is nothing our B. So you can write A equal to B. We just use this that I explained in regular expression introduction lecture. Now this is given as this format R1 plus R2 whole clean closure. In place of this you can write R1 clean closure plus R2 clean closure whole clean closure. Here we add clean closure to both. Then this thing, like now this is in this format, you can write as this. So we can just add plus here. In place of concat you can just add plus. Then both are equal according to commutative. Then according to idempotent you can write just once. Now this is in this format. Rather than this you can replace this. So R1 clean closure plus R2 whole clean closure. So rather than both clean closure, we can just add clean closure in one, and you can leave 0 as it is. And that is nothing our B. So A equal to B. Remember this is very important. Thank you. In next lecture, I will discuss some more questions regarding regular expression.